Yo, what's good, boys? It's your boy Brian back with another banger. You feel me? It's been a good minute since I made a video. I ain't gonna lie, I've been lazy. I haven't been motivated. And like low-key, every event, roll night that we go to, I haven't got much action, bro. Like people don't want to run my car. I don't know why. But we don't get much action when we've gone to those recently. Like we've gone to a lot too. Like I said, there hasn't been much action for me specifically or any of us. Like we've been out, we've been doing things, but I just forget to record or it's not as eventful, you know, like we cruise and shit, but that's about it. But I should just start recording all that too, to be honest. It's content. But yeah, right now I've been needing brake pads for a minute and the light just came on. Like I'm over maintenance on those. Like I'm overdue for that. We got the brakes in here, we got some hug pads. We got the sensors in there too. Right now we're headed to HTL Motorsports to go get them replaced because I'm not trying to deal with this shit. I mean, you guys see the weather. It looks like it's gonna rain and I don't want to fuck up any of the sensors or nothing. I don't got time for that. I'm not trying to fix anything. My shit's been running good with the exception of some things that happened. Like I haven't had a single issue with the car. The car still works fine. It drives perfectly fine. But after I get the brakes put on, we'll do like a walk around of the car so you guys can see it. Because it's been a minute. A few things have changed. I'll see if I pick up the camera at HTL. You know, I'm just trying to get in and out real quick. It's been a minute. We'll do a walk around after, but it's been a minute. Y'all see these is different from the front ones. But fuck it, we bought. Before we clean this bitch, we are gonna take a dab though. But just a quick walk around. It's been a minute since I cleaned this shit. I just got off of work right now. We're gonna be doing something later. That's why I'm washing it. Boom. So we got the puff cone. Bro, don't mind the whip. It's been so dirty, bro. It's really been a real daily. I ain't gonna lie, it's mad dirty, but we gonna get it right today because it's been a minute, bro. It's been a minute since I really took care of my car. And you guys will see when I do the walk around. Maybe you guys already kind of seen another 340 or 330. But let's take this dab. Let's stop wasting time, man. Damn, this shit's off. Take a look at this 340 though. That shit look nice. Little LCI. Heat up. We gonna take this little dab real quick, and then we gonna get right into it. Y'all see it, bro. Like I said, my car's dirty as shit, but we gonna get it right. We gonna try to get it right. We're not gonna go into too much detail. Like I said, we're not gonna go into too much detail on why I fully go crazy and really clean this bitch. Y'all gonna see why when I do the walk around. We're taking this little dab real quick. We're gonna see what's good. I'm not really gonna record me cleaning it because shit, y'all can see that anywhere. Like I said, it's been a minute since I really cleaned my shit, so we're gonna try to get it right today. We just took a little dab. That's some West Coast Cure, some berry crepes. Good gas, good gas. Hopefully I don't get banned for this shit, but man, y'all see that? Y'all can barely see that. And then we got this other jar right here, little Hasbulla jar. This is some gas. We'll save this for later. Let's clean this fucking car. All right, boom. So it's the day after, but you feel me? We still gonna record this. A little walk around, another one. Car looks a lot better. It's clean and shit. 2 different wheels on them. The homie Alexis pulling up right now. Little bat right there. Like I was saying though, we got hit right here, bruh. Y'all can see the little net a little bit. I don't know. And then the reason we're on 2 different wheels, bro. I put a picture up on the screen right now. I was driving to work and bro, I got a fat ass fucking like, I don't know. But I got both of them back here, bro. This one's all fucked up. You can see the gas right here actually. Crazy. So these tires are cooked. The fitment was fire on those, but shit's a little bucket right now. Y'all see the dent, the weather strip, bro. This keeps happening. I already put it back and that shit came off. When they take it to the shop, I'm gonna have to fix that shit. We got hit in the front too, bro. This one actually happened first before the other one. It was like 2 weeks before, bro. But y'all see that shit. We got hit right here, hit right here. The grill's all fucked up. Shit scratched somewhere around here with the headlight. I don't know. We gonna get a new bumper and shit. Insurance being a hoe for the one in the back. They cashed me out for this. Y'all see the homie's whip. We about to put the lights on my shit too.
Yeah, and then we're about to go cruising after.
Yeah, we are gonna cruise it after. Content gonna be crazy. But hell yeah, we about to go get some beer. We just took a dab. This is how we looking right now. We already finished the other side. This side's coming along, but we low-key running out of lights. But we gonna figure it out. Hell yeah. Look at that. Yeah. Nah, that's hard. That looks insane, bruh. Oh, shit. We're still gonna go back and, like, fix a little of these fucked up ass lines, but this shit is looking hard as fuck. Y'all see we only got one side left. I don't know. This shit looking sick, though. I'm geeked. I ain't gonna lie. Got the homie Alex right here. His shit look clean, too. Keep in mind, the sun ain't even go down. Damn, that shit look fire in the video. Ooh, that's hard. But yeah, this his. We kind of doing it a little neater on mine. He did this shit by himself, so he's kind of crazy for that. I ain't gonna lie. It still came out nice. It's just a little more sloppy, but he has 2 rolls. I ain't gonna lie. I only have 1 roll. We might already need the second one, but I feel like your lines are even skinnier, though. And your shit came through. You said you did the whole car besides the top with one?
Yeah, besides like the top, yeah, right there, the little side.
Yeah, it looks different. But y'all see all the tape.
Nah, that looks hard though.
But yeah, we gonna finish this bitch up. I ain't gonna lie, we might need another roll, but by the looks of it,
You might be trying.
yeah, we'll see. We might even have some extra shit to play with, but y'all see at the end of it. All right, boom. So, bruh, we was wrong. I thought we was gonna be able to get the whole thing. I don't know why we don't have the whole thing, but y'all see it on. Hold on. This is like a crazy mode on the lights, but the one we had before was fire. Anyways, we thought we was gonna be able to get the whole car. Bro, we got to the second to last, or the last door actually, and we ran out, but this shit looking fire. We about to go to Target, see if we get some more lights for my shit, because I'm just trying to see the vision play out, bruh. Honestly, keep in mind, if you're doing this shit, it is kind of expensive. I ain't gonna lie, it's pretty pricey for what you're doing, but doing all this shit, like, it's just fun, bro. It's just fun to do with your homies and shit, so I do recommend it, but that shit look insane, bro. Hold on. And keep in mind, the sun's still not all the way down, bro. Y'all not even getting the full vision, but it's coming together slowly. Anyway, we killing these beers, and then we going to Target. This all CGI, by the way. None of this shit is real.
It's real, all AI generated.
All AI, bro. This beer is AI generated. We do not condone drinking and driving, bro. That shit is bad. If you do that, you're lame. That shit is not valid, bro. Y'all gotta stay safe on the streets. We don't condone any, like, reckless driving, bro. Like, y'all gotta stay responsible, but have fun at the same time. Damn, bro. It's all CGI, all AI. Y'all feel me? I'll get back to y'all when we at Target. Hopefully they got some more lights exactly like these. If not, we gonna have to wait a few days to finish up the whip, but y'all see it.
Big job? Did it take long?
It just takes time. It's just patience.
No, when you have help, it's...
He did his by himself. He's helping.
Yeah, mine took long. I did mine by myself. It took like 3 hours.
I ran out of lights up, but we're about to go try to find some more. So.
Hey, what are you guys saying?
Thank you.
All right, you too.
Gee, bruh. I'm a fucking nerd, bruh. GG. This side's all off, and then this side is like hella damn. This shit cooked.